Okay, so today we're going to do construction 39, which is to construct the reciprocal of a rectangle. And the way we'll do it is we'll start with our normal rectangle, um, ABCD, that's our given, and then we draw a diagonal from D to B, and then a perpendicular line to that line that goes through point C, and where it intersects the rectangle, that is point E, and then a parallel line gives us EF, and then our new rectangle BCFE is similar to ABCD, and that is the reciprocal of the rectangle. All right, so we can use the geometry app for this one because we don't need to be precise on our measurements. So let me start with my clean sheet of paper. And then we'll get the more tools up here. And I'm going to make this with points. Put A down here. And B over here. All right, so I need to change some of these. I need to change this point to C. And then I will make my test segment up here. And I need to change those points. We'll call them X and Y. And then we'll use the parallel line tool. And we want to go through A, but parallel to that line. And then parallel to this line, but through C. And then perpendicular line tool. And then I will mark my intersections. And I have B and D. All right, very good. So now what we need to first do is draw the segment BD, or DB. All right, so my segment from D up to B, and then my perpendicular line tool, I want to be perpendicular to that line segment, but go through point C, and then where this intersects, this is point, I think it's E, and then where it intersects down below, that is point F. So let's mark this intersection. and then a parallel line tool, parallel to this line, but through that point. And we can mark this intersection as F. Okay, and then we'll color that new one using the polygon tool. We'll make it 30 gray. Okay, so now we need to show that ABCD is similar to FEBC. So let me write this in my book. A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is similar to FEBC. And the way we can show two rectangles are similar is by the ratio of their length to their width. So I will say that AB over CD, AB over BC is the same ratio as FE over EB. All right. So let's make some measurements here. Okay, and then let's move these so that we can see them all. Okay, so 13.6 over 6.2 is the same as 6.2 over 2.8. Which is 13.6 over 6.2 is 2.194. And 6.2 over 2.8 we do need to show this a little bit more precise. So I'm going to copy this onto um, onto the calculator suite. So let's first delete all these guys, these measurements, because we're going to have to remeasure this. And we'll select this whole thing. And we'll copy it onto our calculator suite. Okay. So first off, let's finish our picture here. Okay. Now we'll measure this. And we'll go from AB and AB to BC. And then EF to EB. Okay, so now we can make our measurements. AB over BC is 13.8103. And EF over EB wait, 13.8103 over 6.2297. Okay, so EF is 6.2297. Seven over 2.8102. So the first one 13.8103 divided by 6.2297 is 2.217. And this other ratio 2.217. So they're both equal to the same proportion, which means both rectangles are similar. And my new rectangle, this grayed out one, is the reciprocal of my first one, ABCD. So we have completed this, but let's finish up our text. So I'll first sign it. And then make our measurements. AB over BC 13.8103 over 6.297, which is 2.217. And my second one which is EF over EB which is 6.2297 divided by 2.81. 2.8102. 6.2297 divided by 2.8102. Okay. And this equals 2.217. All right, so both proportions, both ratios are similar, which means both rectangles are similar. Oh, no, I want to make it large. Okay, so now we can save this and be done with it. All right, so this is construction number 39. Reciprocal of a rectangle. We'll copy that, put it here in our template. Move this over. Construction 39. And our plan is to construct a reciprocal of a rectangle. And our given is rectangle ABCD. Our screenshot. It's right here. And then our final statement would be this. Now FEBC is the reciprocal of ABCD, and let's put it in math type for this one. So ABCD is similar to FEBC. Okay, so this is ready to turn in, and I will see you on the next one. All right, bye bye.